Is your laptop running hot, slowing down, or making unusual noises? Overheating can severely impact performance and shorten your device's lifespan. Today, we'll guide you through cleaning your laptop's cooling system. First, gather your tools: a small screwdriver set, a spudger, and an anti-static mat. Always ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged before starting. Carefully remove all visible screws from the back panel. Keep them organized. Use a plastic spudger to gently unclip the back panel, avoiding damage. With the back panel off, you can now see the internal components. Locate the cooling fan assembly, usually connected to heat pipes. Unscrew the fan's mounting screws and gently disconnect its power cable. Carefully lift the fan out. Be gentle to avoid bending any components. And here's the culprit: a thick layer of dust, often called a dust bunny. This accumulation chokes airflow, causing your laptop to overheat. To clean, we'll use compressed air. Always use short, controlled bursts. Hold the fan steady and spray from a safe distance to avoid damage. Watch as the dust disperses, revealing a clean, functional fan. You can also use a soft brush for stubborn dust, but be gentle. Now, let's address the thermal paste, crucial for heat transfer. Old, dried paste loses effectiveness. We need to clean it off. Apply a small pea-sized amount of new thermal paste to the CPU-GPU die. Then, gently spread it evenly across the surface for optimal contact. Ensure the application is smooth and covers the entire chip. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Start with the cleaned fan. Reconnect the fan's power cable and secure it with its mounting screws. Carefully align the back panel and gently press it into place. Finally, reinsert all the screws you removed earlier. Power on your laptop. You should notice a significant improvement. Regular maintenance like this extends your laptop's life and performance. Keep your tech running smoothly with these simple steps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.